Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's King Jones coming at you with day six, I believe. Yeah, it's day six and day seven of my Clickbank affiliate marketing journey from zero to $1,000 in a day. And as you can see, I'm already in my account. And so day six, I made 247.15, and today, day seven, I made zero. But life goes on. I wanna where's my calculator? I'm gonna pull up my calculator real quick because I want to see how much I made since we started this journey. All right, so here we go. All right. So we started on the 11th. So 141 plus 59. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. 59 plus 38. My computer is acting stupid. Plus 78 plus 247. I know y'all see my computer acting stupid. Alright, here we go. Alright, so far we made 563, and it's been it hasn't really been 7 days. Tomorrow we'll make it seven, so 6 days so far. And so that's a little under $100 a day, which is not bad, but the goal here is to get to 1,000, which I know I can do. It just takes time. But I'm gonna show you guys what I did these last couple of days. Alright, so the 16th, I did 3 Instagram posts and then 1 YouTube video, and I promoted that video on Reddit and Facebook groups like always. So the thing is, you gotta create a niche specific Instagram account. So like, you go in the marketplace, and then let's say you like health and fitness. You create content around fitness, health, whatever. Like, say you're going for weight loss, right? Alright, so you create weight loss content. You post like three times a day, 3 to 5 times a day when you first starting out. Then you could reduce it down if you want. But here's a fat loss product right here. You can put this in your bio, the link in your bio, and then you just drive traffic to it by providing quality content and then telling people to go click the link in your bio for like a weight loss program. So that's how you do that. And then 1 YouTube video, and then basically the same thing. You just create content around a specific niche, and then the link in the description, you can have a weight loss program from Clickbank. But yeah, I promoted it on Reddit and Facebook groups. Okay, and today I did 2 Instagram posts and 1 video. So yeah, I want to show you guys the software I use just in case you wanted to see that on how. So this is one of the programs I use from Clickbank, the numerology readings. So here's what one of my funnels look like. It's simple. You don't want to make your landing page too complicated, because then it's just going to drive the traffic away. But you need a landing page, so because everybody is just sending the offer from wherever directly to the sales page, and you don't want to do that. You can ask any marketer you don't want to do that. You need to capture emails so that you can remarket to them if they don't buy the first time. So you need a page like this. And ClickFunnels, you could try it for free. It's a 14-day free trial. I'll leave a link down below for that. And you need to capture emails as well. And I use Aweber, and they have a 30-day free trial. So if you want to try that out, I'll leave a link down below for that as well. But yeah, you need to capture emails. You got to build an email list in order to be a really successful marketer. But yeah, once they hit this button, they get taken to the reading. And if they don't buy it, then you can always remarket to them because you got their email. So yeah, that's how that goes. And leave a comment down below if you want to see like some tutorials on how I make money on Clickbank, or just make money online in general, because this is not my only source of income. I make money in other ways online. So if you want to see some tutorials or anything like that, just leave a comment down below and I'll make some videos for you guys. And that's all for today's journey. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you're new. And I'll see you guys in the next video.